Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel thik. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to activate the WhatsApp in my Android mobile, and it shows this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Chats are still on this device, and in bottom they showing one more option called request a review. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is hackers. If you not follow the community guidelines from WhatsApp, they will immediately block your account. So to avoid this kind of situations, first of all read this WhatsApp team terms and conditions, and this is very mandatory one. So at same time, if you think your account was banned by mistake, please send the email to this WhatsApp team. So how to do it? So just one time clear that WhatsApp app data. So by simply long press on that WhatsApp app icon and go to app info, and finally click to clear data. So after you done these processes, and one more time, you can open your WhatsApp in freshly and then choose your regional language. So now in this section you can press this link privacy policy, and my Chrome browser is opening. So here you can scroll down and go to contact us section, and this is that section. So next you can press this link contact us, and one more new window is opening. So here you can choose I need help with my WhatsApp account, and they mentioned one important message: if your account was banned, read this article. So here you can press this link article and slightly scroll down. So next you can press this link email us, and they ask for the WhatsApp category. So if you use personal WhatsApp account, just press this first link from this section. So otherwise, if you use business WhatsApp, just select the second one. So here I try to press this first one. So now you can enter the following details by one, and the first one is mobile number, and provide your valid email address, and also choose your platform, and finally briefly explain the problem about your account banned issue. So once you enter the details and click to next step, and finally click to send questions. So I hope once you submit your request, you get the positive reply within 24 hours. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel thik. And thanks for watching.